What's up, traders? Welcome back to KJ Trading. Today's video is going to be another live day trading video. The time is currently 9:26. About to be 9:26. Got this little watch list here of ZKIN and DLPN. I day traded DLPN. I think it was like $12 yesterday. As you can see over here. Let me move this. You can see I was day trading them right here in this big candle and then this little chop stuff. And then they went from roughly 14 or 12 to $14 all the way up to 38 after hours. And then they've just been downsending in this nice trend here, or descending, ever since. And they kind of did just break it, but they also hit it in a different spot. So they have this nice defined trend going down here. You got resistance here, resistance here, and they did have resistance here, but then they broke through it really quick, and then went up to here and then rejected and came down. So what I did on that one is made another trend line from here to here, both resistance. And when I went to use the bathroom, came back, and they came up and broke it. Broke this one, hit this one again, rejected. So what I want to do here is probably buy the break over this trend line, or buy the break now over 30.13, all the way up maybe to 31 as soon as market opens. I can go in like 3 shares here. I'm not going to use the entire account in it, but I'm going to use most of it. But let's see what happens. We could see all the trend lines. Well, not trend lines. What do you call it? Studies. All the EMAs and stuff are kind of getting really tight here. So normally when that happens, it squeezes. A big candle. So that could be signaling a big squeeze when market opens. But no matter what happens, I'm jumping in if it can break this trend line and get up into the $30 range, like right around here. We'll be jumping in. Looking for maybe 50 cents, like a quick pop. It could probably do a lot more than that, because this stock is just a crazy stock. The 5-minute setup also, it would be making a new 5-minute high. Our first 5-minute candle making a new high over $30.10. This level right here. If we can get over this, would be another 5-minute setup. So that'd be another spot. It only makes that setup better for me to get in, because that's also my setup there. It's like double confirmation that it could go. Doesn't always, but most of the time it works. So we'll have to see. They also have this trend, possibly here to here. So you can see they have room to come down and touch this line now. This would be called a support line. If you are new to the channel here, welcome. And now if they do break this support line, they probably will come down a lot more. But you can see they bounced on this line. Basically, they're a couple cents above it, but it still acts as a support. And now, since they bounced and they didn't break it, as of now, they can come back up, but they might break it. Yep, see, they broke it, instantly shot down here. That's how you know it's support. Everybody sold as soon as it broke, and that's why you saw that big push down. Now, it broke this bullish trend with support. So now it has all the room to fall. Okay. Yeah, look at this thing. Jesus. Whoa. Why did it do that? I need to drag this up. Need to get ready here. I could buy down here, but I could. It's probably going to bounce back up here. Yeah, look at it. Again, I'm going to buy over 30. Look, it hit this again. Perfectly hit it. It's still resistance, guys. I'm in an extended again. I didn't even trade. Why isn't it extended? Come on. Well, I hit this resistance, and it's ready to it. I cannot believe it. I really cannot believe it. Why is this in extended, man? I never changed it. I have not traded in extended hours since yesterday. It's okay. It pulled back. Next trade, I'm gonna buy back over here, over 350. I'm gonna buy a step, looking for like 50 or 60 cents. Looking for like 29.80 if ish around that area. My stop is gonna be like way at the bottom here. I'm risking a decent chunk here. I think it could go up. Okay. Could this candle turn green here? I doubt it. 2 seconds left. 1 second. Let's see what this candle does here. Going up. So I can get one share out there. Let's see. Okay. And another one up there. She wouldn't put me exactly at the top. Bang. Come on, stop putting me exactly at the top. I don't want to be exactly at the top. Alright. Good enough. I'm happy with that. I could have held them all, yes, but this thing was really just chopping down here and I didn't like it. Doesn't mean it's gonna stay chopping, like obviously it didn't. But it was a good dip buy. The trade could have gone south, but I was willing to take the risk. I knew my stop loss. I would have sold it if it made a low down here. And I thought this thing would go up because how bullish it is, how quickly this entire candle just came back to green. Normally what happens is just it's gonna keep going. It's gonna have the continuation. So up $3.38 here so far. It's a decent day. It's over another 1% day. So in the past couple of days here, I've made like 3 or 4% in the account. I mean, you can't go wrong with that. If you put your money in like a CD or a savings account in a bank and save it there for a year, you'll make like 0.2% on your money in a whole year. While I just made over 1% a couple minutes on the entire account. Not even what I just used. I only used $90 and the account's let's check. What is the account? 240, call it. So really, the percent on my money is way bigger. I used 90 and made $3.38. If you want to do the math, you just take $3.38 divided by 90 and I multiply that number by 100 and you'll get the percent on my money I just made. I'm not going to do it right now because I am still watching here. How much money do I have? $50, so I can go another 2 shares and I'll be done for the day. Could dip buy. They have tons of support down here. I could buy here, have my stop below, but it looks like they might come right through it now. Possibly. You got 20 seconds. Yep, right through it. Don't like it. Okay. I got this support now, though. Lots of support in the area. Right through it. Look at that bar. Jesus. That thing's going to close way down. Wait for the next candle to see what happens here. So I'm going to pick a good trade here. So let's analyze. I got to mute my phone. Okay. Let's analyze here. Something good, better. Like a bigger trade. So they got resistance up here. Right there. And where they hit, they had like a couple candles there, but I'm not really going to call that anything. It's kind of open skies above 326. They can go all the way up $3 more. That candle is giant. They obviously got a support way down here. Let's see what happens here. Right through it. Way down. Way down. Oh, I can only get one. Oh yeah. Nope, that's right. Let me get one share in here just for something. If it doesn't work out, I'm just going to sell it. Why is my chart frozen? Oh, did I just get halted? I don't think so. Fake halt. This is going to either rocket down or it's going to come back up here. It's called a fake halt. Unless it is halted. But I saw the tape going crazy. Is it halted? I would have thought it would have been halted in this candle, not this candle. Because it already went to the same low. So that's not good. I didn't think it was going to get halted here. TD Ameritrade, you can never tell when it's going to get halted. Because it doesn't tell you in the level 2 like most brokers do. It'll come up like halt level or something, and it will get closer and closer. And then if it hits it, it's halted. But TD Ameritrade, you have no way of knowing where the halt levels are. So now I'm in a halt going down on this stock, which is not what I wanted. It could open and come back up, but halting going down on a stock that just went from like $5 yesterday all the way up to 38. This thing's probably going to shoot down like $5. So I'm probably going to be red out of this trade now. Hope not. But this isn't looking too good here. That's for sure. I don't understand why that happens. Like, it's very annoying. I don't want to zoom in there. Okay. I want to zoom in the entire thing like that. I need to fix their software. Do this, do that. Get this nice and big here. Alright. Looks like a lot of lines, but this is VWAP. So they're way below VWAP. The 5-minute is crazy looking. I'll show you the 5-minute here. That's 5-minute. This thing rocketed up. I can't believe I missed my entry here. I was gonna buy down here, I'm pretty sure, with my first 3 shares. And then I had it on unextended. And then I was gonna buy this and I missed it. I don't think I took the trade, and it just went all the way up. I thought I was all set. I guess not. Another dumb mistake again. I don't remember switching it to extended though. But maybe it was there from yesterday. But yeah, that's the 5-minute. So let's see if we can analyze something here. Maybe that's something. I can call that. Yeah, I'll call that. I'll call that a support, descending support. It's support because it hit and bounced, hit and bounced. That's why it's called support. And you can see the line right here on the 1-minute. So it has all the room down to 25 to come hit. If it breaks that, this thing can flush. I don't even know how much. Too much. Or it could bounce. I don't know. Sometimes these things halt down like this, and then they bounce and go right back up to highs. So this is just fate now. If I knew it was going to get halted on here, I would not have gotten in a trade. But I don't know. On TD Ameritrade. You never know on them. It looked like it could have been a fake halt because it was just the price or the candle was stuck here, but the time and sales here, the tape was going crazy and this was still moving. The level 2 was still moving. But this was frozen. So sometimes you can have a fake halt and then out of nowhere it'll just bounce right back up or just tank out of nowhere. But today's a good day so far. $3.38. I'm gonna do that math, that percent on the money. I use call just 90. So $90. I mean, I understand you're probably saying, oh, it's only $3.38. I know it's tiny money. I'm using tiny money. But the percent on the money and the percent on the account is really what matters. And the strategy I'm using. These past 4 days have been profitable. I had an 18 cent loss day on Friday, I think. I'll just call that day break even because it's really 18 cents. All right, so take $3.38, divide it by 90 times 100. So it's 3.75% of my money. Now, there's a couple minutes, not even 1 minute. It's probably less than that too. I can go over and check. Move that out of the way. Actually, I'm just gonna change this to my Gap scanner, real Gap scanner. See what else is in here. Bunch of stuff. DLPNs again on top. Their float is so small. Lots of people are on ALYA. Oh, they're open. They're open. Okay. I need to break these candles higher. It's gonna flush here. I'm gonna hold it for a minute. If it could break this high, it's probably gonna pop. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on. Come on. Okay, it's green. Come on, go up. Let's see if it could break this high. It could probably go up a whole dollar here. Probably up to 29, like really quick. I'm gonna hold it for a second. Good. We can go green just a little bit. You can see that resistance. It doesn't want to go. Every time it comes, it rejects. If it can go, it's gonna be a breakout. It's gonna go big. Probably an entire dollar. Up to 29. If not more, maybe. So let's just see here. Move this thing out of my way. Those 5 minutes went by fast. I thought I was gonna still have a couple minutes. When you're doing something, time flies. I can tell you that much. Okay, come on. Let's see here. Let's see here. Couple seconds left. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Holding it for a quick second here. People are going to be buying this dip. This is a big dip. I think it's going to come back up. I could be wrong, though. My stop is going to have to be like 26. Big stop. $1.26 stop. But I'm going to give this thing some room here. I think if it can just get over this level, it's going to go. It's $28 level, basically. It's basically $28. What's the high in this candle? 28, yeah. It's $28 they need to break. If they can hit 28.01, everybody's buy orders are going to get filled. It's just going to rock it up. Let's just see. I'm only in one share, so I'm in at 27.26, so I'm in like right down here. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about. Hold it for a quick second. It was too quick for me to even react to that. It was already up and back down before I can even get my cursor over there. On that, I would not even get filled if I even tried to join the ask. But you saw that breakout. Now this might not be too good here. I just want to see it get back over 28. I'm getting out. Well, the ask is that high, Jesus. So I can sell it right there. Oh, they're already coming down. I want to see if I can get out at 28. See if this can pop up really fast. Could be leaving profit on the table, but that's fine with me, honestly. The spread on this stock is big, like really big. So I don't even want to be in it anymore. Okay, where is my order? Let's put it right there. Because 28 is a resistance again. So it's not going over, so I need to be a couple cents under it. Okay, I'm filled. Good enough. $4.11. That was a scary trade, man. That was a scary trade. Halting going down. I couldn't even know it was halted. I didn't think on the $30 stock it'd be halted that quick. Normally, there's going to be a lot bigger move to get halted. $4.11 in a day. That's a pretty good day now. I don't think I have any more money to use. I have $23. I mean, could probably do another trade on a different stock here. Let's check. ALVUs. Low float, no volume now. So let's go to this ALYA. They got the second most volume in my scanner. They got a big float. So they're not going to be moving much. As you can see, they're really not moving. They're moving a couple of cents here. So I'm not interested in them. ONCY, they were moving a lot. DLPN is the one that's moving. And I guess if I did hold for a second there, it just wasn't going when I wanted. That's okay. I would be leaving, what, $1 maybe on the table? Could have been a $5 day, but that's okay. That's alright. I'm still profitable. First trade was good. This trade, I can't call it good. I can call it good once I know where the halt level is. That's why I need to go to a different broker. Because day trading, you need to know all this information. Like, it's very useful and it can save you lots of money. Because what if I just got in with 20,000 shares, let's just say, or 1,000 shares or something, didn't know it was going to get halted, and now it opens up a couple bucks below me? That would suck. You never know where the halt level is. As soon as I got in it, it just stopped moving. So, but yeah, got out at 28 here, so way down here. Could have squeezed out another $1.50-ish out of that. That's okay. That's all right. Up $4. Look at the red to green move on the 5-minute. That's what these people are. This is what they're waiting here. Go back to the 1 minute. They're hitting that resistance again. You see that wick? As soon as it broke, it popped right up to the next resistance level, 30.51. That's why I have these marked out, because these are support and resistance levels. It could come down to this descending support and bounce. That would be called support. Now support's all the way up here at $28, $29, basically, and it can keep going. All right, so I'm gonna have to call it here. I'm not gonna trade anymore today. Made up $4.11 today. 2 trades, I think. Yeah, 2 trades. DLPN. Yesterday I traded them. You can see over here in the bottom left. I can't scroll because that's fine. Watch. It's like a 5-minute video, I think. You can go watch this video of me trading at 9 o'clock in the morning. Today's trades. Add the opening bell. Sad that I couldn't take that first trade I wanted. It was a stupid mistake of me not having it on the day. But I still managed to come out profitable, so I'm happy. But if you enjoy these videos, make sure to like. Maybe consider subscribing. I've been getting a lot of subscribers lately, so thank you for all of my subscribers out there. And with that, I'll see you in the next video. I'm going to come back real quick if you're still watching. Join the Discord. The description is, not the description. The link is in the description. Trying to get a community here of traders in the Discord. I'm going to be posting the scanner, the stocks that are going to be gapping up every day. If you have trouble finding them, it's a great place to chat. We can all talk about anything stock oriented or stock market oriented. Go check it out. There's more in the room. They got StockBot. That thing is crazy. You can ask it any question you want on a stock, and it'll give you the answer. So make sure to go join a Discord. I'm trying to get a community of traders here. But with that, this is the end of the video. So thanks for watching.